Hey there. Assalamu alaikum. How you doing? What you about to do? You about to take a dookie? Oh, there's two of you. How old are both of you? You seem like y'all are like... Ooh. You scared? My bad. Didn't mean to approach you like that. I'm just scared y'all gonna start shitting on my AC. But anyway, I was asking this to some of your other fellas that have been sitting here. What do you guys do in your day-to-day life? Like, I know some of you guys sometimes like to fight over McDonald's and stuff, but what do you guys do? Oh, really, huh? Damn. Y'all are mad still. Oh, see ya, man. Oh, bye.